Hello everyone, I'm here from Galico Automotive. We have a Mitsubishi 4M40 engine block here, so we're doing the fully rebuilding on this engine, and so we pretty much all set to go for doing the assembly. So all clean it up, yeah. And we got the pistons, we're replacing the piston rings and all the bearings, and all bits and pieces are clean and ready to go. This is a rebuild kit, and also we're doing the new cylinder head on this this vehicle. So this is the head. Can you open this? So brand new heads we are replacing on. So this is a brand new cylinder head. So yeah, that's really good job actually. Very neat. Customer will be happy for this. Thank you everyone. If you have any engine rebuilding, talk to us. And yeah, I can show you the old head on this. The old head has a let me show you the head. This is the old head. It has a, if you can see, if you can see that the valve guides are corroded, broken, and has a lot of play on the valves, so which makes the exhaust gas leak into the inlet engine and engine inside the engine. Yeah, that makes too much blow-bys. Alright everyone, thank you very much. I'll come in a next video. See you.